Well, hi friends. Today we're looking at the Book of Esther in the 5-Minute Bible, and the year is 2024. This is the Yonhus Institute of Biblical Studies, and I'm your old pal, PapaDale. I'm a retired pastor, teacher, theologian, and professor with over 50 years of experience and service with the Lord Jesus Christ. Now, if you want to know more about me, there are other videos on this playlist that you can look at. But for now, let's get right into Esther of the 5-Minute Bible. The Book of Esther is a unique and compelling narrative found in the Old Testament, distinguished by its absence of any direct references to God. Instead, it highlights themes of providence, courage, and triumph of good over evil. The story unfolds in the Persian Empire during the reign of King Xerxes, also known as Ahasuerus, and centers on a Jewish woman named Esther who rises to become queen. Esther's journey begins with her being chosen as queen after a beauty pageant convened by Xerxes. This selection reflects not only her physical beauty, but also Yahweh's providential hand guiding these events, even when his presence is not overtly acknowledged. Esther's Jewish identity is initially concealed, underscoring the precarious situation of the Jewish people in exile. The pivotal moment in the narrative occurs when Haman, an ambitious royal official, plots to annihilate the Jewish people. His hatred for Mordecai, Esther's cousin, leads him to convince Xerxes to issue a decree for the destruction of the Jews throughout the empire. This dire circumstance catalyzes Esther's transformation from a passive figure to a bold advocate for her people, showcasing a profound act of courage and faith. Now, Mordecai's famous proclamation to Esther for such a time as this serves as a turning point in the story. It conveys the idea that Esther was placed in her royal position to fulfill a divine purpose. This assertion resonates deeply with evangelical beliefs about God's sovereignty and his ability to work through individuals in significant ways. Esther's decision to confront the king, even at the risk of her life, demonstrates immense bravery and illustrates the power of standing firm in faith. The narrative emphasizes the importance of prayer and fasting, as Esther and her community seek divine intervention before she approaches the king. This act of desperation and reliance on Yahweh reflects key evangelical values of maintaining a deep connection with God through prayer, especially in times of crisis. As Esther reveals her Jewish identity to Xerxes and exposes Haman's plot, her courage leads to a dramatic reversal of fortunes. Haman, who sought to destroy the Jews, faces his demise while the decree against the Jews is overturned. This triumph not only emphasizes the concept of divine justice, but also illustrates the theme of redemption, showcasing how God can bring about salvation even under dire circumstances. The Book of Esther culminates in the establishment of the festival of Purim, a celebration of deliverance and joy among the Jewish people. This observance highlights the importance of remembering God's faithfulness and the joy that comes from deliverance. For evangelicals, it serves as a reminder of the importance of commemorating God's acts of salvation in their lives and communities. In summary, the Book of Esther offers profound insights into courage, identity, and divine providence. Through its engaging narrative and relatable characters, it encourages readers to trust in God's sovereignty and act boldly in their faith, knowing that they may be placed in specific circumstances for a purpose. Esther's story serves as an enduring reminder of the potential impact of individual lives when aligned with God's will, urging all believers to embrace their roles in His greater narrative. So I'm your old pal PapaDale. This is the year 2024, and the lecture that you just watched is the Book of Esther from the 5-Minute Bible for the Jan Hus Institute of Biblical Studies. And so, until the next video, this is your old pal PapaDale signing off and saying, until then, I will be praying for you that you will be well and that you'll be blessed.